Matrix checklist maker. Creating the checklist. In the previous videos it was described how we read information about the vessel system in the description of the vessel system components. You can read the information about the component, and for instance we decided to create the checklist to do the monthly check off of personal gear and breathing apparatus. Add to list, yes. Start from number 1. Okay. Is CBA monthly. Okay. System just added right here. By default, this field from the data sheet. You can change it to different department. Usually it's planet maintenance or dry dock. Level 1 done by crew. Response 30 day. Classification inspection. Indicators. Activity. You have to check for wear damage, gauge reading and live date. Let's see the types. That's the types usually, or types of equipment usually. This checklist components consist of these types of equipment. We'll use the same types. Control V. And if you have other source, for instance, you have in other worksheet the list of all the CBAs. I don't have it. I have just fire doors. I'll use this one. Copy. Go to the equipment list and I paste this one. And it will be all SCBAs. I'll just drag across. When you press on any of the other checklists, it will be saved and this checklist will be loaded. So I'll click on the same checklist to reload, to save and reload information. You see it's just loaded. Make sure this red after save or checkbox here is checked. So information checked. You can add the description. I'll just copy paste the same information across the Control V, location on board. You can select from location you saved on the data worksheet, or you can put your own location locker. And it's not belong to the list. Do you want to continue? Yeah, I would like to have it. And I will use the same information across lines. Activity coming from the data sheet. Check, and it's loaded here. You can edit, just check for pressure. Or you can use it from here, from activity. Control C, and I'll use check. Control V, Control C, select the area, Control V, and reload, save and reload information. Job frequency monthly, and its job have to be completed in 2 weeks, and I would like to receive the memo in 7 days, and I will use the same information across all fields of Control C, Control V, and that's just saved. We almost created the first checklist. Let's see if any maximum job can be checked at the same time. It's annual inspection 5 years, so there is actually no monthly maxima job, but I will add this one just for demonstration. It's listed here, but it will be not correct, so I'll just delete it. Delete, I click again and saved without maxima job. Let's see in other view how the equipment list will be looked like. And you can see it's different views, different fields for the equipment. That's the serial is very important. That's when I can control the sequence of listing. For instance, I would like to have it 1, 2, then 3, and I will just use the Excel automatic option. And when you load, the system will be loaded in the sequence of serials numbers. Okay, let's delete this checklist because actually there is no SCBAs on the base sound connector. But that's the way you're creating the checklist. Read information in the data sheet, select it from here. Information, read information, look for activity each month, each year. Double click, there is more information. Add to list. Right now it's saying you have already one of checklist of this system component, but I would like to add the second one. Yes, I would like to add second one. Okay, it will be EBD. Okay, there is just new one added right here. No equipment. You can see the types and go on. So right now I would like to delete. It's right now it's common message. It's saying item name is empty right here. So the system will just not save this type of equipment to that checklist. Okay, we'll delete this one. Delete. You will not see this one. Sorry. Delete checklist and equipment. Remove. It's saying there is no such checklist, and it will be loaded the first one. Okay. And then I would like to delete this EBD as well, but there is no equipment, so I'll just delete the checklist. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope it's clear how you can easily create checklists with the Matrix checklist maker. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.